Hey, it's Rebecca. Welcome back to ECS Coffee. Today we're going to be making an affogato, which is espresso and ice cream. We're going to add a little cinnamon on top later. So first you want to pull your shot. I'm using the Breville Barista Express today, so I'm going to go and pull my shot. We're doing a double shot today. We need all the caffeine. So I'm not going to pull my shot yet because I have to put my ice cream in, and I'll pour the shot right over top of the ice cream. So I'm going to go and get that. I have my double shot ready to be poured, but for now I'm just going to scoop about half a cup of ice cream into my mug here, and then I'll be able to pour the shot directly over top of the ice cream. So we're using vanilla ice cream, and I do not have a proper ice cream scoop, so this is kind of messy. Okay, that's about half a cup. So I'm just gonna pour my shot directly over top, and then I'll have my yummy dessert, and we'll sprinkle some cinnamon on top afterwards. Okay, so the cinnamon is just to taste. I love cinnamon, so I might put a little bit more on than you want to. You just go ahead and sprinkle that right there.
Do you want the decaf one too? Yes, please.
And then you have an affogato. It's delicious. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions or comments if you want. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.